Welcome back. Now let us learn few more things, and please open the miscellaneous.py. This is there in the code folder here, miscellaneous.py, and so let's start. First of all, we'll load the data on which we'll do the practice. So line number 1, we are importing the Panda data frame library, and line number 2, operating system, so that we can set the working directory. Line number 3, numpy library, and line number 5 for changing the working directory so that we can refer from here. Line number 8 to line number 11 is a few configuration change, just to make sure that see, this is saying the display of max column, that is means all the columns should be displayed for the Panda. Similarly for the display max row, it means all the rows should be displayed when we print. And here option some precision, that is the precise value 2 it should show. That's all. So it is not that much important, but at least you should know. Now line number 14, we are reading the data afresh, and so that we can do the practice. So, and line number 15, we are making the column name to uppercase, and let us see the data of what we have right now. So this is the data we have. Okay, this is the data we have, and this is what we are going to work. That's all. Few of the constant we may need in future. So categorical column, this is our categorical column, and response, actually response is useful for the machine learning, not here, but it is just simply defined. Now we have the data ready, and now let us go and start learning few things. First of all, let us start seeing that how we can handle the missing data. In a thumb rule, if you get a data with a few missing value, please talk to the person who has given you data, so that you can get the full data. Please try to get the full data from the source itself, and if you can get, that's very good, nothing to worry about. But for any reason, if you don't get, then how can you really verify that you have the missing data? And I will also show you few of the things through which you can fill the missing data. Line number 23, just to show is there any missing data, like it is your data frame, each null, it is checking the null, that none, and if whatever there, it is summing it up. Okay, that's all. So line number 23, that is what it is doing. So if you see that it has summed, so it has 0, 0, 0, it means we have a data that is having no missing data at all. But for practice purpose, we'll insert few missing data. Okay, so temporary data frame I have made in line number 26, and line number 28 I'm making a temporary some missing data. So just seeing that, wherever is there in between 18 to 20, I'm changing the accelerate column to none. Okay, so in this case 28 I'm changing to none. That's all. And if you see that I have used, this is the series. For the series, how you can compare anything, so this is the between thing I have used, and for the series there are a lot of the operations like this, and that you can find it out this link. Okay, so this is the wherever this condition is satisfied, wherever this condition is met, then you will find for those row only accelerate column is getting set to none. Okay, now let us see the data 29. So if you see this accelerate column, see here, it has set it none. Okay, good. Now if we now try to see the sum of all the missing value, you will see for accelerate there are 53 rows where this is missing. For remaining it will be 0 because we have not done any changes. Now let us try to see, try to find it out the missing value row wise, each of the row.